More access, more power, more time. Get in and go with proximity key entry and push-button start. Step inside a fully digital experience. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen featuring a dedicated EV technology display that puts everything right where you need it. Stay connected everywhere with BlueLink Plus, giving you remote access and turn-by-turn guidance. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay keep your apps front and center, while Bluetooth multiple device connection lets you connect up to 2 devices at once. Backing up is a breeze with the rear view monitor, giving you clear visibility and extra confidence in tight spaces. Go farther with freedom, up to an estimated 245 miles on a full charge. And when it's time to recharge, DC fast charging takes you from 10 to 80% in as little as 24 minutes. Plus, your battery is backed by Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile limited battery warranty. Ioniq 5 has earned IIHS Top Safety Pick. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. Hyundai Ioniq 5. Electric freedom. Connected confidence. Power your life forward. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.